Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I show you the exact way I pick up my trades. Okay, so that is what we will be doing here today, and in most cases we usually achieve positive results, in short, huge profitable results at the end of the day. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will all understand how I go about it. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, and practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable, okay, just the way other people have been doing. Okay, and of course right now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, so guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend milker trading indicator, and this is the beautiful part of the trading tool. Okay, you can see right from the support zone it started an uptrend, and you can see the yellow flag. It was all yellow all through, okay, giving us a blue arrow as a buy signal from here, and of course gave us more entry points around here till it came to an end at this resistance zone. Right from the resistance zone it started a downtrend. You can see the red flags. These gave us more downtrend signals around there and a lot of sell signals. In case you missed the first one, you can go for the second one, and of course in case you want to open more orders, you can also do so at those places where we are having red arrows. Okay, so this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so this is very, very important. Next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It started a downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, was unable to break out from there because it has been tested several times around here also. So it had a pullback but got to this resistance zone because it was unable to break out from there around here too. So it went back into a downtrend and got to this support zone. So it was unable to break out below the support zone. It had a pullback and selling at the moment. If it does not break out below this support zone, then definitely it's going to go back into a buy. Okay, it's going to go back to buy again. Okay, but if it breaks out below it, then definitely it's going to sell more. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so this is very, very important. This is selling at the moment. It might not be for long, most especially if it's unable to break out from there, and of course it will go fully into a buy trend right from there. Okay, so we should just take note of that. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. That is the beauty of the indicator. Right from the support zone it started an uptrend signal right from here, give us our first entry point around here, and of course give us more entry point around here. You can see, you can imagine, this is 5-minute time frame. You trading right from here, from this region. Okay, let's say you even started from here, somewhere here, and of course you kept on buying and buying till it got to, it broke out from this resistance zone, and of course kept on buying and buying, and it is still buying at the moment till it get to the next resistance zone. And if it does not break out from there, it will go back into a downtrend, but once it breaks out from the next resistance zone, it will keep on buying. So this is still buying at the moment, okay, until it is unable to break out from the next resistance zone. That is when it will go back into a down downtrend. Okay, so next asset is going to be crash 500. Crash 500 actually came down right from this resistance zone, but was unable to break out below this support zone. You can see it has tested it around here, also tested it around there, and of course immediately it got there, it started buying again. Okay, so if it's unable to go further from here, then definitely it will sell again. So definitely it is selling at the moment. If it breaks out below this support zone, then we have every tendency for it to be trying out this particular support zone again to see if it will break out from there. So this is still selling at the moment, even though the movement is not that smooth, but at least it is still selling at the moment. So you should take note of that. Okay, the last asset is going to be V75, which is volatility 75. The year is volatility 75. You can see the very long downtrend that it was before, and of course got to the support zone, had a little buy and came down again, and of course it's trying to go back on a buy trend again. So we should expect more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, most especially once it breaks out above this resistance zone, then it's going to buy more. So this is going to be more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. These are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, can you go back to the platform, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, try as much as possible to apply them on the demo account first before trying them out on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.